Now, the COVID-19 pandemic has hit the booming tourism industry there entirely. The industry is now facing massive job and revenue losses. Scores of ancillary professions and small-time businesses linked with the tourism industry are also battling for survival. Devankur brings us this report from the Pink City.
Chitarmal, a Tonga operator in his 50s, starts his day as usual. He wakes up at 5 a.m., gets on his Tonga and leaves for the precincts of Albert Hall in Jaipur. He and his horse both know it shall be another long, grueling day. In pre-COVID times, the Pink City would usually be bustling with tourists, and Chitarmal would make around 500 rupees a day by taking them around the old city and other historical sites. But now, despite spending long hours at work, things have come to a halt for him and several other Tonga operators. They don't know how to feed their families and even their horses.
लोगों के मन में ऐसा भय बैठा है, लोग बोले टांगा चूने से भी डरते, बोले कमेरिया लग जाएगा। अभी सुबह से शाम को 1 रुपया बोवनी बट्टा कराई नहीं है, और शाम को जाएगा कोई जानवर को क्या खिलाएंगे?
Out of desperation, many of the Tonga operators are now starting to look for other jobs.
रुपए में 10% काम रह गया, 90 पैसे उड़ गया। अब यह है कि इन घोड़ों का भी खर्चा नहीं निकल पाता। सरकार अगर हमारी पहले ही मदद करती तो घोड़े लॉकडाउन के अंदर भूखे थोड़ी मर गए। घोड़े भूखे मर गए, देखो घोड़ों की पीछे हालत देखो कैसे हो रहे, सब सूख साख गए घोड़े।
The Ashok Gehlot government opened forts and museums on June 1st, but the inflow of tourists have been negligible.
अनमेरिड कपल वगैरह हैं वो थोड़े बहुत आ रहे हैं, बाकी इसके अलावा भी कोई कुछ नहीं आ रहा है। टूरिस्ट वगैरह तो बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहे हैं, और आज तो पूरा दिन बैठे रहते हैं, एक बौनी के भी लाले पड़े हैं।
बाहर का नहीं आ रहा कोई भी, बस है जो यहाँ अपने राजस्थान के जयपुर के यहाँ भी कोई घूमने फिरने वाले बस वही है। बहुत डर है, जैसे यहाँ कहते हैं हाथ मत लगाओ, ऐसे देख के चले जाते हैं कि बर्तन लाते हैं साथ में, उसमें डालो, थैला लाते हैं कि आंटी उसमें डाल दो।
In Rajasthan, the government has allowed the opening up of forts and museums, but the fear factor persists. And because of that, it is not just the inflow of tourists which has been massively affected, but also livelihoods of thousands of people connected with ancillary businesses which has been adversely impacted. And if things do not start looking up sooner rather than later, then the situation may take a turn for the worse than what it already is. With Nikhil Sharma, Devankur Vadhavan in Jaipur, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.